Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study algebra effectively. Start by solidifying your understanding of basic arithmetic. Ensure you can confidently perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Next, master the order of operations, often recalled with mnemonics like PEMDAS. This ensures you solve problems in the correct sequence. Finally, become comfortable with core algebraic vocabulary, including variables, constants, and coefficients, which are the building blocks of all algebraic expressions. Consistent practice is absolutely crucial for success in algebra. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to solving a variety of problems. Always try to solve problems on your own first, even if it takes a few attempts. Resist the urge to immediately look at the answer. After attempting, review your work and understand the reasoning behind each step. Learning from your errors is a powerful way to deepen your comprehension and improve your problem-solving skills over time. Don't be afraid to seek help when you encounter challenges. Your teacher is an excellent resource, and a tutor can provide personalized guidance. Many free online platforms offer clear explanations and practice exercises. Consider forming a study group. Explaining concepts to others solidifies your own understanding. Additionally, creating flashcards for important formulas and definitions can significantly aid memorization, making recall quicker and more accurate during tests. To truly master algebra, try connecting new concepts to real-world scenarios. This makes abstract ideas more concrete. When faced with a complex problem, break it down into several smaller, more manageable parts. This systematic approach reduces overwhelm and clarifies the solution path. Consistent review of older material, perhaps once every 2 weeks, is vital to retain information long-term. Visualizing equations with graphs can also provide a deeper, intuitive understanding of algebraic relationships.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.